Okay, here's the after shot. We've now bypassed a section of really big tea leaf. You can see right here. Had to cut this guava. And we've got these really big teas over here. Didn't really want to have to cut anything that big down. So what we took out was a bunch of coffee, like this one right here. Coffee and satin leaf, mostly coffee. Now we'll get up on this path. And it still needs a lot of work. There's a million little coffee sprouts on it. But you can see the upper wall. And it's about a path about 3.5, 4 feet wide. Or it was at one time. And it goes straight from mango tree site, goes right to secret site number 2. While we were clearing, we came upon this spot. You can see here the pigs are digging around the root of this big tea plant. They like the roots. The roots are starchy. They just started chewing on it a little bit. They're also looking for grubs and other insect life that'd be in the ground. Okay, this is secret site 2. Below the wall is just tons and tons of either yellow or white ginger. We don't know yet which it is. This is the wall. Not quite the quality of secret site 1. We have a nice big terrace over here. We've done a little clearing. We have a pretty nice trail coming here now from the mango trees. Now the next thing to do is to reach the 2 rock piles on the other side of the gulch coming up. And I don't know whether this GPS is going to show anything. You'll be able to read this GPS. Move it slowly, the light will flash in different ways. But we're at the triangle, and that line going straight up is where the rock piles are. It's about 370 feet from here. Question is, besides the gulch, what's in between here and there? Here are some of the broken bottles we found the last time we were here. Not only broken bottles, but we found some digging implements left behind by the builders. And we have this really cool looking thing. This is an iron. So whoever lived here was a person that liked to take care of themselves. An iron, what you do is you fill it up with hot coals. Once upon a time there was a handle on there. And you could iron your clothes and get all the wrinkles out. Then you could go out in the field and pick coffee or some other crazy thing. Well, we came from secret site right up there. Cleared this trail down through here. There's a really nice rock wall on the low side, but can't see it right now because of all the brush we cut and laying on it. Coming over here, we had to cut a lot of coffee also. Came upon another really nice wall here. Some big boulders. There's a base. And then when I look up a little higher, there's a secondary wall built up here, runs off to the left and to the right. Okay, we're almost in the stream bed now. Well, another 50, 60 feet to go. Work our way down, trying to follow pig trails or people trails built around the walls. Okay, we crossed one gulch from Secret Site 2, and as we came up out of the gulch onto this ridge, we found another enclosure. Beautiful rock wall. I cleared along one face of it. This is the low end of the wall, or the enclosure. It's probably about maybe a 30 by 40 foot enclosure. Someday.
I am at the rock pile. I am at the rock pile. You copy, over.
Okay, we reached the rock piles. It's 11:30. We're going to take an early lunch. We put in another hour or so after lunch and we'll have the connectors connected. It's not far from here to where we quit the last time, coming the other way. Strange. Makes you wonder why anybody did this. And there's one more. I'll show you that one after lunch. Okay. This is the second rock pile. This one has a big boulder in the center of it that was probably at one time totally covered by all of these smaller rocks. I have no idea what the purpose of this was, but it's interesting. Somebody worked very hard to cover this big boulder in these smaller stones. And I'm guessing that there's a big boulder in the center of that other pile. It's just hasn't been disturbed yet.